Good afternoon. Audible to you guys?
Very
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I guess you guys are also getting some extra noise. Okay, let me close my window first. Okay, there are still some noise. Can't avoid.
वो मैं फिल्टर यूज कर रहा है गांडू
So, did you guys got your classroom or still in like no classroom?
Ma'am, we don't have a classroom. Homeless people.
Still no classroom?
मैम इधर से उधर ठोकर खा रहे
तुम लोग बेघर हो गए बेक्लास
मैम चन्ना मेरे
we gave them requirements like 2 months ago. Then we keep doing the same thing over and over again. Still no desk bench. Not sure what they're doing. Anyway, so in yesterday's class, we saw different regular expressions. Mainly the basics of regular expression, then closure property. तुम लोग मतलब क्या रास्ते में हो घर
मैम
जाने
क्लास नहीं है
लगे
मैम हम यहाँ पे हम लोग क्लास मैम दीपाश्री
हो मतलब ऐसे रास्ते पे हो ऐसे रहने
यस मैम
में क्लास
योगेश
करो Have you guys joined any clubs? There are so many clubs.
मैम आई वाज इंटरेस्टेड इन द फोटोग्राफी क्लब बट हाउ टू रीच द मेंटर फॉर दैट
I guess all mentors gave you the list for all the clubs. Then you can just contact the concerned person, I guess.
Ma'am, yesterday, a few days ago, I asked Mala ma'am. Mala ma'am gave the name of the faculty, but there were no class mentioned.
Okay, maybe they didn't start yet.
Okay, ma'am.
So, अभी मैं क्लास करने से are you guys in mood to do class? सब लोग तो रास्ते पे ही हो
मैम मुझे तो पता नहीं कहाँ है मैम
क्या क्या
मैम आधा लोग कहाँ है वो भी नहीं पता हम लोग को हर कोई कहीं कहीं है
फिर 3 बजने से मतलब क्या खत्म हो गया क्या मैं बोली थी 3 बजे का क्लास मुझे मत दो कोई इंटरेस्टेड नहीं रहता है
यस मैम
3 बजे का क्लास कोई किसी को
वेट फिर भी जहाँ पे हो वहीं से करो और okay I'm just sharing my screen I won't take much time just saw some of the examples how we can design FA using regular expressions okay so I hope you can see the whiteboard
यस मैम
okay
नेटवर्क खराब
I know no one is using pen or paper सब लोग तो steps में ही बैठे हो बाद में वीडियो देख लेना क्लास के So today we will see how we can design finite automata using regular expression. Okay. So let's see just simple examples first. For example, you have this regular expression and you need to design your FA. Now FA can be anything here. It can be DFA, it can be NFA. Okay. Finite automata involves both DFA and NFA. So it can be both. So here we don't mention like we have to design DFA or NFA, it's just finite automata. So how you will deduct this term? D A star B. Okay. So what does it mean? A star means you guys already know. A star or A closure means all the substrings including empty string or null string. A, double A, triple A, any types of A. Correct? So this one means what? There will be a single B and there will be multiple numbers of A, including epsilon, right? Or empty string, then there will be one more B. So how can you draw this? The strings will be like BB, it can be BAB, it can be BAAB, or it can be B, any number of A and B. So starting is with B and ending is also with B. So your FA will be like Q1 B. So obviously 1B will be there and the last ending will be also with a B. So this one will be B. Then we have A star. Okay. Whenever you see this star symbol, you remember you just need to make a self loop. Okay. Just make a self loop and it will work for the A star. Okay. Closure property or clean star. Okay. Then just make the final step. Q, 3 and B. That's it. This is your FA. So this is basically your NFA because see from Q1 we have only used the symbol B, not A. For Q3 also there is no utilization of the input symbols A or B. So it is NFA. So this is how we can design FA from the regular expression, because in some of the exams they just give you the expression and you have to identify the correct finite automata. Okay, let's see another example. A plus B and C. Okay, so what does this means? A plus B, remember A plus B means it will work like OR. So there can be A or there can be B. And remember, whenever we make finite languages, we just use the symbols. Okay, A, B. So C is fixed. So the strings will be like anything that will end with C. Then in front, there can be any combinations of A and B. There can be AB, there can be maybe AB, BA, C, there can be BA, BAC, anything. So N will be with C, but in front it can be anything. Okay. But here there is no star. Okay, there is no star if you see. That means what? The only possible thing is if you just simplify it, it will be A C plus A B. So only two possibilities. Two strings are allowed. One is AC, one is BC. one is AC and BC. That means if you convert it to language, only language or the strings are AC and BC. So you just need to make the finite automata now. So this one is actually very simple. Q1. So from here, you just think this is one part and this is one part. Okay. Then again from this part, this is symbol 1 and this is symbol 2. Okay. So what you have to do, that means from initial state, you will get to both A and B. So just make one state here, means A or B, right? Either A or B. Okay, rest is simple. There is only ending with C. So Q3. This is your finite automata for this language, because this is also a finite language. See, I didn't put A plus B star here. Okay, this is just A plus B and C. Therefore, only two substrings are possible, AC and BC. So this is the finite automata. This one simple, right? Let's see another example. A, B star, then A, B, B, A, just plus. Okay. This is not star, this is plus sign. Plus B. Okay. So, okay, now this symbol, don't get confused with this symbol. This is equivalent to your plus. In some places, in some of the exams, they might give you this symbol. Just don't get confused. This symbol is equivalent to A plus B. That means, this means simply A plus B. That means A or B. Okay. So just follow the steps. You can just think it one part, and this one is followed by this part. Okay. So how to proceed? Start with initial state. Okay. Now A or B star. Okay. A or B star part. Let's do this part. See, I told you, whenever you see this star or closer, that means you just need to make a self loop. So here you can put A, B. So this self loop will solve the purpose of A plus B star. Okay, it can be any symbols involving A or B, or it can be any numbers. Okay. Next, what? Next is ABB or A plus BB. That means A, B, B plus A star A plus B. This A plus B is not this plus, okay? This is for OR, and this is for what? Remember the difference between A star and A plus? A star is all possible symbols including your null, but A plus is excluding the null. That means only A, AA and all other possible. A plus is excluding the empty null symbols, and A star is including. So how to do this part? That means this part is fixed, right? A, B, B. So straightforward, you need to make it A, then B, then Q3. This one will be your final state. Okay, B. So this part is done. AB star done, then ABB, is done. A, B, B. So after reading this, it's going to the final state. Okay. Next we have A plus B. Okay, so what to do about this? Remember, whenever you see OR part, that means it will always start from the first initial string. Okay, it will always start from the initial state. Okay, so this part means now you have to make this part A plus B. So what you have to do? A plus, right? No empty strings. So you just make a state here A. Okay, then you make a self loop here A. So this part is doing this A plus part. Okay, A plus. That means what? After reading A, then it will be A, double A, triple A, any number of A, but it will not include the empty strings. Okay. If you simply give an input symbol, it might also means it will also include your empty strings or null moves. But now it will only serve the purpose of A plus, not A star. Okay. Next, you have the B part. So this part is easy, just the B part, and it will be a final state again. Sorry, Q5. Okay. So this is your main automata for this example. Okay, just do it step by step. Whenever you see plus symbol, remember there will be two parts from the initial state. And if there is simple dot product or just multiplication like that, it will be just consecutive states. So ABB, there is no OR sign here. So it will be consecutive state. ABB, after reaching that, it will reach the final state. But here we had also A or A plus B. So we have to make the part for this part also. The same thing we did here also. A plus B. That means from the initial state there will be a part using A and there will also be a part using B. Okay. Is this one clear? Okay, Dular said yes. Okay, let's see another example. Easy one. A, B, C star. Okay, so here all string will start with A and then it can be any combinations of B and C. So Q0 will be the initial state, then after reading A, it will go to a state. Okay, now we have to make the BC star. See, in all here, I just made A star. Okay, A star, and I just made the self loop. Whenever I saw the A star part, I made the self loop here. Now here is the combination of both B and C. Okay, both B and C. So what can we do is, for example, you making state here. So if I say it will come to B, then it will go back to Q1 again using C, and we can make it a final state. Now it serves the purpose. The possible strings here are what? A, B, C can be including empty strings, right? Then minimum string is A. So after reading A, it going to the final state. Then another possible is A, B, C. Then A, B, C, B, C. Then A, B, C, B, C, triple B, C, any number of B, C. Okay, that's our language. So after reading A, it is going to the final state. Then after reading A, there can be one BC. So B and C, it is going to the final state again. Okay, then there can be two BCs. So again from here, you can just take the loop and go to the final state. So this is your FA. Clear? चलो और क्लास नहीं करने वाली. I know you guys are just not interested right now. Okay, tomorrow we will say a bit more complicated one. हाँ, सिर्फ तुम ही इंटरेस्टेड रहते हो, बाकी तो कोई आंसर ही नहीं देते हैं. अच्छा, that's why only you reach home, I guess. Rest are अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं बिखरे पड़े हुए हैं. Okay, I'll join class from next week. Yeah, obviously on the way home, so no one is listening. Okay. Okay, I'll just join from next Monday, so can do offline classes from there. So there is only just one class that is tomorrow online from फिर तो दिवाली की बंद है. Okay, I'm ending the meeting now. See you tomorrow. Okay, thank you all. अरे अभी कौन ऐड हुआ खत्म होने के बाद? Deepa also present. Okay. 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 Thank you.